out again. It's arresting.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is SummerNicole. So hey girl, I know I'm looking crazy, but it's Valentine's Day weekend, so I'm about to get ready to I don't know exactly what we're doing, but we're doing something. So I'm about to get ready, and yeah, I was like, let me pick up my camera and vlog because I'm finally kind of gonna do something. I don't really be doing much, y'all, but what a great time to vlog. Okay, so I'm about to do my makeup, my hair, find something to wear, and I guess I'll take y'all along with me. I'm not gonna like fully like do my makeup routine on here because yeah, I'm just not. So yeah. But anywho, so I just wanted to say hey, and I'm about to get myself together. All right, y'all, so this is the look that I did. Nothing major. I mean, I can't do a major look, so this is what we're getting, okay? But I did want to tell y'all about this new lip gloss that I have on. Really cute. So it's supposed to be a dupe for Fenty Fussy. I think that's it, Fenty Fussy. But it's this Maybelline lifter gloss in the shade Moon. Can y'all see that? Yeah. So lifter gloss in the shade Moon. I've been loving these glosses by Maybelline. Like, first of all, the packaging is so cute, and that's just kind of what pulled me in. But yeah, they're really good glosses. I have another one too. This nude one in Stone. It's really pretty too. So if y'all haven't tried them, give them a try. But yeah, so I just finished my makeup. I'm about to do my hair. I mean, it's not really much to do. So I'm just gonna wear it down. I look crazy. But yeah, let me like freshen up my hair and stuff and then find something to wear. Baby, crazy. Love me good. Okay guys, so I decided to keep it pretty simple because it's like 30 degrees outside. Shoot. Alright y'all, so we decided to come to Andretti Indoor Karting and Games. This place right here. So we finna do some indoor.
They passed me the tequila. I'm gonna take a shot.
Indoor go-kart?
Yes.
Go-karting. Yeah. I couldn't get it right. Go-karting.
Yeah, in arcades and shit.
Yeah, and they got food and drinks.
Make sure you smash that like button. And comment below. And what's the other thing? Oh, subscribe.
So annoying. Oh my gosh.
Whatever the YouTubers be saying, man. You know.
Anyway, so we finna take some shots in the car and go up in here. So I'm gonna take y'all.
We're not taking shots in the car.
Oh, we're not?
No.
You just said give me the tequila.
We're not taking shots in the car. We don't drink.
We don't?
We drive.
Oh, we don't drink and drive. That's why we are in an Uber.
Yeah, there you go.
Don't drink and drive, kids. Anyway, so I'll take y'all inside with me when we go in. we just left the indoor go-kart place, and it was interesting. It was very interesting. I'm not gonna say I didn't like it because it's my first time doing it, but I wasn't good at it, and I don't like the fact that I wasn't good at it. Like, people were hitting me, and I was trying to keep up, but I thought I was in last place, but I came in 8th place, 7th place. What place did I come? 6th place? You was in 6th.
Yeah, no, I was in 1st.
Boy, you was in 6th, and I was in 8th. Dang, Lil Woodrow's packed. Yeah, so I came in 8th place, and out of what, 12?
I think it was out of 9.
Boy, get out of here. Come on, stop. It was like out of 12, so I didn't come in last place, which is good, but you're so annoying. But yeah, so I don't know, maybe if I do it again,
yeah, it was 12.
I'll like it. Yeah, it was 12, see? Maybe like if I do it again, I'll have a better experience. But yeah, so we just played a bunch of games.
You came after me, my go-kart flipped over. They had to come out there, bring the rescue team, then flip me out, and I kept driving. I still came in 6th place.
Boy, you all cap. You all cap. So anyway, yeah, so we played some games too, some of like the arcade games, and that was cool. I think Dave and Buster's got like better games than them though. Like, it didn't seem like that many like good games to play.
Yeah, Dave and Buster's is a game place.
That is too though.
That's an indoor
go-kart
racing place
and arcade.
And laser tag shit.
Oh, we should play laser tag. Anyway, yeah, so
you probably would have been stressed out from laser tag.
I mean, listen, that go-kart, that had me stressed for real. Like, I don't know.
I didn't listen to music now.
I guess. Well, I just want to update the people.
Oh, yeah.
Where are we going now? What are we doing?
Yeah, I think we'll go to my partner bar real quick.
Oh, so we're about to go to a bar real
my
quick.
My partner bar, not just a bar.
We finna go to a bar real quick.
My partner bar, it is.
Oh my God, you are driving like you in that go-kart still. I need you to relax. Okay, yeah, so it's Valentine's Day, and Dante went to Louisiana this morning. He works in Louisiana during the week, so that's why we celebrated yesterday. So it's really just a chill day for me. Y'all, it's so cold outside. Like, it's, let me see, it's like 30. It's 36 degrees right now. And it's supposed to snow tonight and tomorrow. So yeah, so I'm gonna make a soup today. I'm gonna make some like homemade chicken noodle soup. I'm kind of excited about that. So I guess I'll just like continue vlogging today since I'm not really doing nothing. Show you guys how I make my soup, and I'm just gonna chill. I really want to watch that new Lifetime movie with Megan Good and her sister, so I'm probably gonna put that on in a minute and just, you know, chill. I got a lot of candy for Valentine's Day and stuff, so I'll probably just have some of that, and yeah. So yeah, so right now I'm about to put some chicken in the oven because why? So I'm about to put some chicken in the oven for the soup because I need to cook the chicken, obviously, and then I will debone it and everything after it comes out of the oven. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Okay, y'all, so I'm getting ready to watch the Death Saved My Life movie with Megan Good, but I just noticed that there is a this movie right here, Valentine's Day Nightmare. So I'm gonna watch that, and there is a movie called The Wrong Valentine. So I'm gonna watch that too, y'all. I'm just about to be watching all the Lifetime Valentine's Day movies. Like, this is perfect. Perfect. Okay, so I'm about to watch Death Saved My Life first, though. I'll let y'all know how it is.
Oh, if that's the case, you have no choice but to go to the police. His best friend is the police sergeant. And I know Ed. He'll turn around. He'll make me seem like I'm the crazy one. She's the one who had the nervous breakdown. Another one.
All right, y'all, so it's been about an hour and 30 minutes, I want to say. So I'm about to check on the chicken real quick in the oven. So you want to make sure that the chicken is good and tender, just for like easy deboning, you know. So let's see. So this is what the chicken looks like right now. Doesn't look that great because I'm just using it. Oh my gosh, look how easy it's. Super tender. I'm just using it for the soup. So, and you want to make sure it's cooked all the way through. Yeah, that chicken is tender. But yeah, I'm just using it for the soup, so I didn't really go ham with it. Alright, so the chicken is ready. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this if I can flip y'all around. I'm gonna let the chicken cool off some, and I'm gonna start prepping the rest of the stuff for the soup, okay? So let me get the stuff and I'll be right back. Y'all, the odds are against me today making this dang on soup. So I chopped up that whole half an onion, and then most of it, or a lot of it, fell on the floor, and I was able to save some of it. And y'all, why it fell in the sink? Bro. Like, why? Why? Why are the odds against me today? I got some more onion I'm gonna cut up, but just, really? I saved that juice from the chicken. You know, it's just good chicken flavoring with seasoning and stuff. So I'm just gonna pour that leftover juice in here. It's snowing. If you can't tell by the title, I'm about to tell y'all about my Texas winter storm situation. I don't even know what to like call it. So I was vlogging this past weekend, like Valentine's Day I vlogged. I decided to continue the vlog Sunday as well, because which was actually Valentine's Day. So we celebrated Valentine's Day the day before. I kept vlogging Sunday because I didn't really have a lot of footage from Saturday. So kept vlogging Sunday, and Sunday night is when it started snowing and stuff, and I showed you guys that. And then Monday I picked up the camera. I told y'all like what was going on, and I will insert the clip of me talking to y'all Monday and telling y'all what was going on. But I clearly like had no idea to what extent it would be. This is day 4 of the storm. Today is Thursday. I didn't have power since Monday, and I finally got power today. And I didn't have water either, so I didn't have power or water. So I finally got power and water today. Yeah, so I'm gonna insert the clip of me talking on Monday and telling y'all what was going on then, and then I'm gonna come back and talk to y'all. Hey y'all, so it is Monday. It's Monday, the day after Valentine's Day. I talked to y'all yesterday. I think the last thing that I showed y'all was it snowing last night. And yeah, it definitely snowed. And if you don't know, I live in Houston. So yeah, it snowed in Houston last night. And now the power's out. I mean, I was trying to figure out how to lead up to it, but the power's out. Sorry, I got fuzz in my mouth. Yeah, so the power's out because it's so cold and the demand for energy is so high. So yeah, the power's out. It's 19 degrees outside. And one of my friends, her power has been out since like 1:30, 2 o'clock this morning. Mine didn't go out until like 20 minutes ago probably, and it is 1:39, so like it's 1:40 right now, and my power just went out like 20 minutes ago. So there's that. And then on top of the power being out, the news people are saying that it probably won't be back on until tomorrow. Y'all, it's 19 degrees and it's supposed to just get even colder tonight. So I'm not really sure like what I'm gonna do, because yeah, like I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I'm literally sitting in my car right now charging my phone and I got the heat on, so there's that. My boyfriend's like, you might have to go to the store and get some charcoal and lighter fluid to light up the grill to warm it. Whoa. Whoa. First of all, I'm not about to drive to the store. Like, the roads are frozen, like ice. Like, my friend hit me and said that she was at the grocery store and she was literally watching cars slide across the parking lot. Nah, fam, I'm good on that. Like, I just don't know. Okay, so like I said, today is Thursday. Just got power today. Water is on. So the situation is we have water, but we cannot use the water. There is a boil warning, advisory, whatever, for the water. But there's parasites in the water and some people have brown water and stuff. So it's kind of one of those situations where it's like, even if you boil your water, like, you don't really want to use it, you know? So with that being said, yeah, I've seen videos of parasites in water here in Texas. I'm not chancing it in the shower, okay? Like, I'm not chancing parasites in my hair and stuff, like on my body. Like, just the thought of it, I can't get with. So I have been, I just took a bird bath. Like, this is the situation. Like, I had to boil some water. I used some water out of water bottles, boiled some water, so that it could be like hot for me to take a bath. And I did that and I was able to like wash my face and everything. As you can see, my hair, I haven't really combed my hair. I'm not really stressing about that. But yeah, so basically, long story short, I hadn't had power since Monday. If you guys don't know, I have a dog. So with that being said, it's not just me, it's my dog too that I have to worry about. So I ended up going to my boyfriend's house. He had power, which is kind of odd because he lives like kind of across the street from me and his apartments had power. So I went there Monday and I stayed there Monday night. He had power and water. Stayed there Monday night. Tuesday, woke up, came home, checked to see if I had power. Didn't have power on Tuesday. Went back to his house. Later in the day on Tuesday, he ended up losing power. So at that point, we had to go to his parents' house. They had power and water, so we went over there. Stayed the night there Tuesday night. Came back to my apartment Wednesday because I figured that there had to be power by then because other people were getting power that hadn't been out of power as long as me. Went back to my apartment, still had no power. His power ended up coming back on that day. So went back to his apartment. That would have been yesterday. Stayed there yesterday. Came back and checked my apartment a few times. There was still no power, no water. At one point yesterday, the water did come on, but it went off again. I think my apartments ended up shutting it off because a pipe ended up bursting in the office, the front office. And so that was kind of messed up, the front office. Luckily, none of the pipes in like my building or anything were messed up, like thankfully, because I did see some people that I know who had issues like that, and they literally had water coming out of the walls in their apartment. So thankfully, you know, I didn't have to worry about that. So Wednesday, stayed over there again. This morning, came back to my apartment, and there was power. I was so happy there was power this morning. So I come inside, my neighbor's outside. He's like, yeah, power been on for like 10 minutes. I'm like, okay, bet, like perfect timing. I got here, come inside, pick up the phone to call my mom, the power go out. I'm like, are you kidding me? The power has been on for 10 minutes, the power go out. Power was out maybe like 10 minutes, came back on for like 5 minutes. Power went off again. Took Chloe outside to use the restroom. I noticed on the building that the lights were on. I'm like, okay, bet power's on. Came back inside, power went off again. That must have happened like 4 times. And I sat here for a while and the power didn't come back on. And I was like, I'm not about to do this. Like, it's like 40 degrees in my apartment. Like, not about to do this. So ended up going back to my boyfriend's house and chilling over there for a little while. Ended up getting a email from my apartment saying that the power was back on. So I came back home. Power has been on since. And yeah, so I've just kind of been like all over the place. Like I said, thankfully I haven't had like the issues that many people here have had and have been facing. I have had a warm place to sleep every night, and I've been able to have like food and water and stuff, thankfully. So yeah, but it's just really crazy out here, y'all. So pray for Texas. Yeah, all of my food in my refrigerator and freezer have spoiled because I've been without a power for 4 days. So that's all gone bad, which means I'm gonna have to throw everything away and replace everything, which I can't even imagine how much money I'm about to have to spend on food. I mean, like literally little stuff like condiments and milk and eggs and stuff like that, you know? Hey y'all, today is Friday. I just wanted to pop on here and let y'all know what I'm doing. I know I look crazy, that's why I put a hat on. Mind your business, okay? Mind your business. We don't have clean running water, okay? I can't wash my hair. Anyway, so I'm about to clean out my refrigerator and freezer. All of this food gotta go to the trash because I didn't have power for 4 days, so everything expired. Send help. Which means I have to restart my whole refrigerator and freezer food situation. Anyway, so yeah, I'm about to clean all this out. I guess I'll prop y'all up and I'll let y'all watch me do it.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.